Hi, I'm Rasmus and welcome back to this third video where I will show you how you can make your first YouTube video using only free software. Now the next thing we need is Hitfilm Express. Hitfilm Express is this video editing software that is free to use. So let's go ahead and go to Google and type in Hitfilm Express. Go Google search. And there's an ad here, but let's go to this one. This is the official website, FX Home. So we can hit download. And then it's very tempting just to go ahead and hit this download Hitfilm Express. But I'd actually recommend that you go ahead and create your free account first, because we're going to need this once we have got the program. So let's do that first. Account, and then create a free account. And I'll type in my name and everything. I'll get back to you once I'm there. Now, I've filled in my things. I've said my name is Rasmus 2. Let's actually make another number just to be sure, or a lot of numbers here, because I've already made an account. So I'll just make a temporary account here. And then I've stated my email. That is a temporary email, also a password, and then my age is 18 or over. I would like not to subscribe to newsletters, and I'm not a robot. Now I have to play this little game here. With motorcycles. There's a lot. I think that's it. I hope. And then create account. Now, they have sent me an email, so I'll open up my email and I'll show you. Here, now I have my email, and I have to complete my registration, so I click this button here. And now, wow, I have my my account. And what I would like to do is now I want to have a free version of Hitfilm Express. So let's go back to FX Home. So let's go to Hitfilm Express, download Hitfilm Express, and now that I've got my account, I can hit download Hitfilm Express. Great. And here you can pay what you want. You can support the system and you can get some extra stuff, but as I'm teaching, you can also pull it way down to the bottom where you can get it for free, and you can hit the download. And I can do that now. And then I'll download this Windows installer here, as I am using Windows. Then I'll go ahead and open this shown folder, and I'll go ahead and install this. I have one right here, so I'll just use this, double click. And then I will go through this installation wizard. I've already got one, but again, just follow the installation wizard. It's pretty simple, so do that. Path is not of importance right now. I'll go ahead and click cancel. There. Okay, now, how does it look once we are there? I think I'll actually pause this and cancel it. Now, how does it look once you are inside? Now, this is loading up, and it will look something like this. And here you have this, you can activate it. And if you just go ahead and if you click this out and you start on a new project, then you will have some watermarks. And let me show you, because you might be experiencing this. I'll just up the frame rate to 60, and I'll go with this standard, otherwise standard, and this is YouTube standard aspect ratio. So that's quite fine. I click OK. And now if I load anything into this, this is how it looks like. And now if I load anything into this, any files, I would like to have, let's go with the previous one. The Audacity. Here I have the video for the last one, and if then I have drag and drop this. Now I can put it in here, and let's just for the sake of this video make it very short. And now see, like this. And if I then go to export, I'll just do this really quickly, and I'll show you the watermarks that I would have. Let's go here, raw materials, and say watermark. And there you can see it in this previewer, that once I've exported this, you would see that there is a Hitfilm Express watermark, and there will also be some noise in there. So once this is done loading, I will get back to you. Hi, now it's done. So let's go check this out. I go to the raw materials where I put my file, was in Hitfilm Express, raw materials, and here with a watermark. So now you can see this, and that's not very pretty. And you also, if you listen, no, actually I don't think you can hear it. I would have to activate my computer sound. But anyway, I'll just tell you that there is a sound as well that is not very nice. So this is what we want to avoid. So and now let's go and remove this watermark. So we go to File, we go to Options, I believe, and then Activation. And we want to activate, and then we get this thing here again. So if we want to do it without having this watermark, we just go ahead and activate and unlock. That is if you have made an account in Hitfilm Express. If you don't, go ahead and do that first. You can also click this, get a free license, then you're directed to where you can make an account. But let's go and activate and unlock. And then you just type in your email. I was using this temporary email. And my password. And then go log in. And the loading. And then it wants me to restart the program. I do that, close it. I don't want to save it. Well, actually, let's save it. Getting organized is really a big part of this as well, and I'll get into details with that later on. Let's just save this as no watermark. Good. Close this down. Now let's open the software up again. As I have now activated the software, it will not prompt me with do you want to activate this, so I can go ahead and open or create a new one. And now I'll just open the one I just made. It's already at the it's already at the right one, so I'll just hit open this one. It's project. It's not exported, it's a Hitfilm Express file. And now here we have this one. You can see the last one that I exported is still here. And now let's export this again and just make it even shorter so it goes faster. And let's go ahead and press export again. And let's just call this no watermark, it's fine. And it'll start, and there you see, the watermark is gone. So that's how you do that. Now, what can you do within this, and why do I do this? Actually, what I do is I make an audio file with Audacity that I showed you last time, and then let's go ahead and open that. So I go to my files, I go to Hitfilm Express. Now let's go to the last one here, Audacity, raw materials, and this is a video file from OBS Studio, and this is the audio file that I created, that I exported. So this is an MP3 file that I exported from Audacity. And then I bring this in here as well. Great. And let's go ahead and make this longer and remove this completely because I want to start over. I selected it and pressed delete. Now I have this video and the audio file, and these match because this is the audio of this video. So you see the length is the same. So now I drag and drop this video, and here's the same video as before. Let's go to the viewer, then you can see what's happening. Yeah, the viewer pane here and the export pane, you would always want to have it on the viewer, really. This is the last video I had, and then I've in Audacity I've created this sound file, and I can drag and drop it. I can put it here, or I can actually put it on top, and then it will remove the other one. And now I can go ahead and control click, and then I can right click this and I can create link. This means that when I edit one of them, I edit both of them. So I can drag them and I can crop them. Now this is what I primarily do. I crop. So I remove the end and the beginning if I have some dead I have to start my OBS up, and I have to do some things. Then you can crop it down. You can also cut it in half, and you can I press this razor here. You can crop it multiple places, and you can add a lot of things. You can add let's add an image. You've maybe seen an image from some of my other videos. Let's go to, I have a website logo here, so let's go to logo plus website, this one. Whoops, sorry. Damn it. Here. I just press this and I drag it down here. Now I have this logo here. I can pull this logo. I can put it in here, or I can put it above. I'll put it above, and I'll show you why. I'll make it a bit bigger, so easier to see. Now this logo here is right smack in the middle. But you can alter that just by using the mirror. And I can put it up here. Yay. And now I can have that, I can see it. And maybe I want to remove it once I exit my full screen. So I'll see where that is. And I press Control and I zoom. Makes it easier to hit. I'll pan this. I want to have it gone here. And then it snaps to the view second. Now this is fine. I'm happy with that. And let's just, for this tutorial's sake, again remove this and make the video not as long as it could be. Have it just a little bit like this. And then now I've imported the audio. I've made the video, put it in here. I've added a logo. And now I want to export this again, and I can hit here the export and say now this is video, and I save that. Now it will export, and then I'm ready for the next thing, that is how I get it to YouTube. And also talk a bit about getting organized. I want to talk about you saw that I had a lot of folders, and when you have all of these files and you have all of these projects, you really need to get organized. So that I think I'll actually start the last of my training videos with getting organized. So if nothing else, have a good one.